Watch this video and learn how to draw a dinosaur. Later in the show, Barry Tone does a dance break. And watch to the end to see one of Louie's poetry breaks. Are you ready, Artie? Are you ready, little artists? It's Artie's show!
Come on kids, let's run, let's brush. Grab a pencil, chalk or brush. Now let's go and make some art. Draw and paint, come on, let's start. Color, texture, shapes and lines. Making art of every kind. Let's have fun, let's have a party. Making art with our friend Artie!
Hello, Artie. Artie.
Oh, hello, little artists.
You know how you love dinosaurs?
Yes?
Should we draw one today?
Oh, Artie would love that. Can we please?
Okay.
Okay, yay!
How wonderful to see everyone today!
It sure is. Thanks for coming back.
Are you ready to make some art?
Yeah.
We're ready as well, Bunny.
Oh, Artie can't wait. Artie can't wait. Artie can't wait. Artie can't wait.
Okay. Come on, let's start. Artie, come on. We'll start by drawing our dinosaur's eye in the top left corner of the page. A nice circle. Very good. Now let's draw a smaller circle inside and shade it in black. Later on, we can learn about dinosaurs on YouTube if you like, Artie.
Oh, yeah. Oh, wow. Oh.
Okay, we'll do that later. Now let's draw our dinosaur's nose. A nice curved line. And then at the bottom, add a V. That's going to be the mouth. If Artie's drawing too fast, here's a message from Bobby.
If Artie is drawing a little too quick, you can pause the video, that'll do the trick. While it's paused, you can draw away, and when you're caught up, you can just press play. That's bananas!
Now let's draw a little curved line for our dinosaur's chin, and now a bigger curved line for our dinosaur's neck. Excellent work, Artie. Now, on the top of the head, coming down, let's draw a series of triangles. I'm going to count them. 1, 2, another one is 3, 4, 5, 6.
I'm not sure what it's going to be yet, but it looks good.
You'll see soon, Bunny Fluffington. Let's connect all the triangles together with a nice curved line and then come in at the end in a little hook shape. Now we're going to draw a line that goes up, creating sort of like a camel's hump. But obviously, this is a dinosaur, not a camel. Ooh, add a little spiral at the end, Artie. That's it.
Oh, it's time for a dance break.
Dance break?
Dance break. Time for a dance break. Dance break. Dance break.
Okay. You want a dance break?
Yeah.
All right, we can have one.
Yay! Okay, dance break. Yeah.
He sure has the moves!
He can really dance.
Handsome judge. Yes, I am. I give it a 10.
Dance break.
Barry did a great job.
Yeah.
He's a good dancer.
Oh, yeah.
Should we finish the drawing now?
Oh, okay. Yeah, okay.
Come on then. Now let's add triangles going all the way up the dinosaur's neck, and we can count along again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Wow! 12, 13. That's a lot. Watch to the end to see Louie read some poetry. Let's finish the tail, swill all the way around, and then stop, because we're going to leave a gap for the legs. Let's add some really simple legs. We'll draw 2 lines, one and then another one at a different angle, and connect the 2 together with a curved line. Let's add some toenails. 3. 1, 2, 3.
Oh, Painty! Oh no!
Uh-oh.
Painty!
I love it.
Oh, it was so funny.
Barry, don't encourage him. It's not funny. He's made a mess. There's green paint everywhere. Although I guess green is the colour of a dinosaur, so maybe we can use some of this paint. Oh, I like that second leg you drew, Artie. Very good. And complete the tummy.
Well, never say never, that's what I... Oh, hello, and welcome to Poetry Corner. Today's little poem is about my favourite part of the Artie show, dance breaks. Okay, here we go. When it's time to shake and groove, dance breaks put us in the mood. Twist and turn, jump up high, wave your hands and touch the sky. Artie leads, we join along. Every step's a happy song. Mikey Marker joins the fun, dancing bright like the morning sun. Shapes and colours take the floor, spin and twirl, then dance some more. So grab a friend, it's time to play. Dance breaks make the happiest day. Oh, well, that was marvellous, darling.
Thanks for that, Louie. What a lovely poem. Okay, Artie, let's add another line that's going to show our dinosaur's chest and tummy. Continue the line between the legs. Oh, here comes Bunny.
Hello, Artie.
Hi, Bunny!
I'm ready for some fun.
Oh, good. Me too.
Oh, I love that drawing.
Thank you.
It looks so lifelike. You're very talented. Let's hop to it.
Okay.
Let's add 2 more legs at the back. One at the front. Remember to add the toenails. And then another one at the very back. Just a little bit of it peeking out. That's it. Let's draw some spots on our dinosaur. We're going to draw lots of little circles just randomly placed in the body of the dinosaur. This will really help later when we're colouring in. Make some of the circles larger and others smaller. That way it looks really random. Well, Artie, this is looking pretty finished to me. What do you think?
It's finished!
I thought it was. It looks great.
Yeah.
Good job.
Can I colour it in now, please?
Of course you can.
Okay.
Color it in, color it in, color, color, color it in.
job, Artie.
Yeah.
That was a hard one.
Oh, lots of work. Oh, Artie very tired now. Artie needs nap. Yeah.
You want a nap?
Oh, yes, please.
Okay.
Artie, can't wait till tomorrow. Can't wait to see what you come up with.
See you next time. Thank you for watching, little artists. We'll see you again soon. Have an Artie day.